Hi friends, I have some wingless birds to show you today. Wingless, that means birds with no wings. But don't worry, they do have flippers. Yes, they're penguins. Penguins are a funny kind of bird. They don't fly. They have flippers so they can swim. These penguins live in a cold, snowy place, and they're going to be shivering in the snow, and they're going to be waddling. Also, waddling is how they walk. It's like a little wobbly walk on their feet. So let me share this song with you, and I hope you'll sing it with me. The tune is I'm a Little Teapot. So you might already know the tune, and I'll teach you the words. Are you ready? Okay, here it goes. Now there's our snow. And are there any penguins on there? No, not yet, but just you wait. There will be. No little penguins shivering in the snow. Along comes this one waddling to and fro. He likes to slide around, so he jumps up on the ice, and he hopes a friend will join him. Wouldn't that be nice? Yeah, I think it would. Get your one penguin. You could put your penguin on your snow. Ready? One little penguin shivering in the snow. Along comes another waddling to and fro. She thinks the other penguin looks kind and nice. She wants to be friends, so she joins him on the ice. And now how many do we have? Yes, 1, 2. Now we have 2. You might have your 2 penguins on your snow. Here we go. 2 little penguins shivering in the snow. Along comes another waddling to and fro. They think the other penguins look kind and nice. They want to be friends, so they join them on the ice. Now how many do we have? 1, 2, 3. Have you got your 3 penguins on your snow? Okay, let's do it one more time. 3 little penguins shivering in the snow. 3 little penguins sliding to and fro. Let's get those guys sliding a little bit. They think the other penguins are kind and nice, so they spend all day together sliding on the ice. It's a nice little friendship song. They were kind and nice, and they like to do some of the same things like sliding on the ice, so they spent all day together doing that. How fun. Thanks for sliding with me. I'll see you next time.